Shiba Inu Coin is crashing, but that's not going to be the case for much longer. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Now, unfortunately, we are having a bit of a red day on Shiba Inu, but I would like to hopefully dispel some of your fears, some of your anxieties in this video. Before we get into this video, make sure to comment down below what you guys think about this coin. If you like this coin, if you dislike this coin, if you're still holding, how much you're holding. I want to know it all, guys. I love to see all of your guys' takes and opinions down in the comments below. You guys usually leave some really interesting stuff down there, and it's always very fun to read through and engage with you guys. Also, make sure to like the video. Let's get this video to 500 likes, guys. You guys kill it with a like goal every single video, and I am super appreciative and grateful every single video for you guys doing that. But let's talk Shiba Inu. We're down just about 9.53% on the day today, guys, which is unfortunately low, right? And you know, we are dropping a little bit here, and the overall cryptocurrency market is kind of mixed as well. Now, you're probably wondering, why do you go over all the overall cryptocurrency market when this video is strictly really about Shiba Inu? Well, the overall cryptocurrency market, if you're new to crypto, maybe if you're not familiar with crypto, is very much a catalyst in itself. It's very much a controller of how this coin tends to run or how it tends to do, right? If the whole cryptocurrency market is down, that's typically going to mean that even Shiba Inu is going to be down as well. If we see lots of green in the market, we're typically going to likely see Shiba Inu be green as well. Now, as you can see here on today's, there's not really much green. I mean, there's a few green here and there on Cardano, for instance, up like 12%, which is pretty impressive. Dogecoin, a little bit. Polygon, but then the rest, really, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, all this other these random coins are up, or rather down by 1 or 2%. And that being said, of course, Shiba Inu is, of course, part of that group as well. But let's dispel some of the issues. Let's dispel some of those kind of anxieties that you might have, some fear, uncertainty, and doubt, or as some of the people call it, FUD, right? Let's talk about it. So this is the chart that we were looking at yesterday. Now, when I was talking about Shiba Inu yesterday, I was very confident that we were going to go into a what I called a consolidation period, or what most people refer to it as a consolidation period. And a consolidation period is basically where we start trading within a very tight range of prices, and we continue to do so in a rightward direction, right? We're trading super tightly, we're consolidating and setting up for another rally, another huge breakout, something like that, basically, right? So that was what we were looking at yesterday on December 1st. This was kind of the graph overall. We had that nice green candle. Unfortunately, that green candle was equally met with just the most disgusting 4 red candles I've ever seen, with literally a tiny green candle that doesn't even matter. And then now we're down here, right? And again, I hope that we can start to consolidate in this area. But again, Shiba Inu always tends to surprise me, right? What I've noticed, and what I think is becoming more and more common, is that we have these huge pumps, right? This Kraken listing got in the news. Everybody kind of loved it. And then obviously it broke out to not new highs rather, but just highs in the 5532 level. And then of course pulled back since then. And that is likely due to sellers. It's likely due to people who are taking profits and moving out of this coin, unfortunately. But it's also likely to, again, people panic. Like, we have a lot of paper hands in this coin, guys. A lot of people who are literally going to sell at the first sign of trouble, or even the first red candle they see. They're going to go, okay, I'm gone. I got to get out, right? And they sell, unfortunately, and that does cause obviously a little bit of a dip. Now, I do want to quell some of those rumors and fears, because actually, if you look, and this is via Shib reports, right? So again, that's verified. They've been doing a lot of news for a long time. Oh, that's cool. I pulled up the same exact tweet. That's awesome. All right, well, here we go. This is the right one. So just in, Shib tops over 1,025,000 total holders, which is a new record. Now, if you guys know, they actually just hit 1 million holders not too long ago, just a couple of days ago. And now that they are at 1,025,000 holders is obviously a very big deal. But also what that means is that there are still people who are buying this token, right? There are still people who are constantly creating, or not creating rather, but buying into and creating positions on this token, which means that for the most part, buying pressure is still intact. We are still going up in holders and not going down. It's probably fluctuating day to day, which of course is going to happen. But again, it is overall a good piece of news that we are going up in holders still. We also have this. Shib is now available on all 10 major cryptocurrency exchanges, guys. Again, guys, this is huge, right? Not only is this great news for the overall Shiba Inu community and, of course, Shiba Inu's accessibility, which we all know is one of the main reasons why this coin is even right now where we're at as far as the price goes, right? Because, again, nobody... And I mean this, like this, we've seen this happen with other coins. You guys can hate on me in the comments if you disagree with this point, but nobody will buy a cryptocurrency, or very few people will buy a cryptocurrency if it is not easily accessible, guys. We saw this with Saitama, where it ran up like crazy. It did amazing, and that's mostly because selling was so difficult in the first place, and even buying it was an even more big of a challenge. Again, with accessibility, your coin needs to be accessible in order for people to, one, get into the coin in the first place, right? But also to hold the coin, to sell it, to stake it, to do whatever it is they want to do as far as tokenomics is concerned. Again, that needs to be a reality. And with Shiba Inu, we've gone a very, very long way. Shiba Inu used to only be really available on like these DeFi exchanges, right? On PancakeSwap, what is it, Uniswap, right? There were all of these DeFi exchanges that this coin was available on. That's the only place you could get it. People made tutorial videos on YouTube on how to do it. Again, we were talking about it. It was very difficult to get this coin, and by proxy, the rally that kind of resulted from that was huge. But unfortunately, it kind of dropped off the face of the earth because there really wasn't mainstream adoption yet. And now we have here mainstream adoption. We have the Coinbase listing. We have all of these other major exchange listings. We have all this ecosystem updates. Again, the popularity of this coin has skyrocketed, and thus the mainstream adoption of it has really put it to the forefront. So again, I think that obviously if you're looking at any cryptocurrency project, mainstream adoption and mainstream, I guess, trending category that you could call it, whatever you would like to refer to it as, are good things, right? They are overall good things, and I think they really lead to the overall positive movement of this coin. Now, that being said, you're probably wondering, okay, well, all right, where is this coin going, right? Like you gave us all these little pieces of news and everything. Where do you think this coin is going to end up, in the next couple of months, or even by the end of this year, which is obviously just about a month away now. We're December 2nd. Again, guys, if you want my kind of full honest price prediction, I really think that right now we're going to trade lower. I really think that we're going to drop a little bit lower in price, and I think we're going to start consolidating until the end of the year. And the consolidation, I think, really might vary. We might see some really crazy, huge ranges right now that we're in right now, just because there's a lot of instability in the overall market. But that being said, I do think that we can start to kind of tighten up here and really get into the nitty gritty, if you will, and start to push towards a higher price target towards the end of the year, if not definitely in 2022. I think 2022 is where we see the massive price increases that everybody keeps predicting, everybody keeps talking about. I think that is when we are really going to expect those and see those. So make sure you keep it locked here. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit the link down in the description below. Public is a social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling in both the stock and the crypto markets. Plus, when you guys use our link, you guys get a free stock as well. So hit the link down in the description below. Sign up, deposit $1. You guys will get a free stock from Public, and you guys can start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to hit the notification bell. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.